Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Quality English Tutor podcast, where learning English feels simple, clear, and practical. I'm Alex.
Hello, Alex, and hello to everyone listening. I'm Sara, and I'm really happy to be here today.
Sara, before we begin, let me ask you something. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling great, honestly. Very positive and excited about what's coming next.
The future. That's a big word and a very useful topic.
Exactly. Today, we're talking about the future and how to express your plans, ideas, and hopes in English.
And don't worry, we'll keep everything simple and beginner-friendly.
Before we start, a quick reminder for our listeners.
If you enjoy this podcast, please subscribe to the Quality English Tutor podcast. Like this episode and share it with someone who's learning English.
Your support really helps us. Thank you.
All right, Sara, let's begin. The future. Where should we start?
Let's start with a very simple question. Alex, what will you do after we finish this podcast?
I think I will drink a big glass of water.
That's a good plan.
And that sentence is a perfect example. I said, I will drink a glass of water.
Yes, we use will when we decide something right now.
Exactly. It wasn't a long plan. I decided at this moment.
Let me give another example. I feel a little hungry, so I think I will eat a sandwich later.
Perfect. You decided just now. That's why we use will.
And the good news is it's very easy.
Right. We say, I will, you will, he will, she will, we will, they will.
No changes, no stress.
For example, my friend, Sara, will call me tonight.
Or they will watch a movie later.
Now, Sara, what about questions?
Easy. We just change the order. Instead of saying, you will come, we ask, will you come?
So I can ask you, Sara, will it be sunny tomorrow?
I hope so. I can answer, yes, it will, or no, it won't.
And won't simply means will not.
Exactly. So we can say, I will eat a sandwich, but I won't eat a big pizza.
Same here.
So remember, we use will for quick decisions and simple future ideas.
So, Sara, we've talked about quick decisions with will, but what if we already have a plan?
Good question, Alex. When we talk about real plans, things we decided before, we usually use going to.
All right. Let me ask you something. What are you doing this weekend?
I have a plan. On Saturday, I'm going to visit my parents.
Perfect example. You said, I'm going to visit my parents. That's a plan you already decided.
Exactly. It's not a new idea. I thought about it before.
That's the key difference. With will, we decide now. With going to, the plan already exists.
Let me hear your plan, Alex. What are you going to do this weekend?
Honestly, I'm going to clean my apartment.
Not the most exciting plan, but a very real one.
True. And notice the structure. I am going to clean.
Yes, with going to, we must use the verb to be.
So we say, I am, you are, he is, she is, we are, they are, and then going to plus the verb.
For example, Mark has a plan. He is going to play football on Saturday.
And Maria and David are going to have a small party.
Right. These are all plans, not quick decisions.
I like going to because it sounds organized. It shows you've thought about the future.
Me too. For example, next week I'm going to start reading a new book.
Nice. Is it an English book?
Of course. I'm going to practice every day.
That's a smart plan.
And next month, I'm going to take a short trip to the beach.
That sounds amazing. So this is not just an idea, it's a fixed plan.
Exactly. Tickets booked, hotel ready.
So let's review quickly.
We use will for quick decisions.
And we use going to for plans we decided before.
Simple, clear, and very useful.
So, Sara, we've talked about will and going to, but English has one more very common way to talk about the future.
Yes, Alex, and this one surprises many learners.
We're talking about the present continuous for the future.
Exactly. Although the name suggests present, we often use it for future arrangements.
Let's make this simple. Sarah, what are you doing tomorrow evening?
I'm meeting my friend for dinner.
Perfect. You said, I'm meeting my friend. That's present continuous, but the time is the future.
Yes, because it's already arranged.
That's the key word, arranged.
If you have a fixed plan, time, place, people, present continuous works perfectly.
Let me try. Tomorrow morning, I'm recording another podcast episode.
Great example. The time is decided, so we don't need will.
Right, and notice the structure again. Subject plus am, is, are, plus verb ing.
For example, Alex is traveling next week.
And Sarah is teaching an English class on Friday.
Yes, these sound natural and confident.
Now, let's be very clear for our listeners.
We use present continuous when the plan is fixed and already organized.
Exactly. You usually hear a time word like tonight, tomorrow, next week.
For example, I'm flying to Dubai next month.
Not maybe, not hope, it's booked.
Yes, ticket bought, bag ready.
Now, quick comparison.
I will meet my friend sounds like a decision now.
I'm going to meet my friend sounds like a plan.
But I'm meeting my friend sounds arranged and confirmed.
That's why native speakers love this form.
It sounds natural, relaxed, and real.
So don't be afraid of it.
Use it when your future is already on your calendar.
Clear, simple, and very powerful. Okay, Sarah, before we move on, let's quickly review everything we've learned so far.
Yes, Alex, it's important for our listeners to really understand how to talk about the future.
First, will. Use it for quick decisions or predictions you make at the moment.
Like, I will drink a glass of water.
Next, going to, for plans you already decided before. Example, I'm going to visit my parents this weekend.
Finally, present continuous, for arrangements that are already fixed, like I'm meeting my friend tomorrow evening.
Remember the difference. Will equals immediate decision, going to equals pre-decided plan, present continuous equals confirmed arrangement.
Exactly. Small grammar changes, big differences in meaning.
And the best way to learn is to practice. Say a sentence with each form out loud.
Yes, one with will, one with going to, and one in present continuous.
That's the key to feeling confident about the future in English.
Perfect. Now we're ready to move on to section 4 and put all this into practice in real-life situations.
Hey, Sarah, before we finish, let's slow down and review everything in a fun way.
Yes, Alex, this is the part learners really need to understand and enjoy.
Because knowing the rules is one thing, using them confidently is another.
Exactly. So let's make it crystal clear and practical.
First, will.
We use will for quick decisions, promises or predictions we make right now.
For example, I'm tired, I will go to bed early.
You decided in this moment. That's why it's perfect for quick ideas.
Second, going to.
We use going to for plans we already thought about.
Example, I'm going to start learning English seriously today.
Hopefully, today is that day for everyone listening.
Third, present continuous.
This is for fixed arrangements, plans that are already decided and confirmed.
Like, I'm meeting my teacher tomorrow.
Time is fixed, plan is confirmed. Simple and clear.
Now, let's practice together. It's easier than you think.
Yes, listen, repeat in your head, and imagine yourself saying it confidently.
Scenario 1. You're thirsty right now.
You say, I will drink some water.
Scenario 2. You decided yesterday to exercise.
You say, I'm going to work out this evening.
Scenario 3. You already booked something.
You say, I'm meeting my friend tonight.
Notice the difference? Small grammar change, big meaning change.
And don't worry about being perfect. Native speakers care more about clarity than perfection.
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. So take action today.
Here's a quick challenge for you listeners. Write one sentence with will, one with going to, and one in present continuous about your day or plans.
Comment them below. We would love to see your sentences.
Remember, small steps every day make a big difference in your English journey.
Simple, clear, effective. And most importantly, keep practicing and have fun.
You got this. Now go ahead and create your sentences. Your future English self will thank you.